I just bought the AWOL Vision LTV-3000 Pro after reading rave reviews of the projector. I expected it could replace my TV, as the projector boasts very impressive specs for gamers, so I was so excited to give it a try. The projector features a turbo mode for those who prioritize low input lag. When this mode is enabled, the input latency drops to an impressive 8 milliseconds at 1080p and refresh rate reaches 120 Hz. This makes it one of the lowest latency options available in the projector market, so you wouldn't experience any lag when playing fast-paced gaming scenarios like first-person shooters or racing games. However, at 4K resolution, the latency increases to 50 milliseconds with a maximum refresh rate of 60 Hz. While this is acceptable for casual gaming, especially on consoles like the PS5, competitive gamers may find it unacceptable as even milliseconds can make a difference. For casual gaming with family or friends, the projector delivers a satisfying experience. Playing on a massive projected screen gives me the sense of immersion, so it is an excellent choice for co-op or party games. That said, the projector falls short when compared to my Hisense or LG OLED TVs. These TVs offer amazing smoothness, sharpness, and contrast, thanks to their advanced panel technology and superior processing. OLED TVs excel in delivering deep blacks and vibrant colors, creating a level of clarity and visual quality that projectors struggle to match. While the AWOL provides good picture quality for a projector, its clarity and contrast don't quite reach the levels of high-end TVs. This is most noticeable in darker scenes, where projectors often lack the contrast ratio to display true blacks. Also, I can't experience the smoothness when gaming 4K games at 120 Hz. So, this is a huge disadvantage of the projector. The AWOL Vision LTV-3000 Pro is a solid choice for gamers who value immersive, large-screen gameplay over picture quality. Overall, I enjoy playing my PS5 games on my TVs more than on this projector. Therefore, I'd keep my TV for gaming and my projector for movies. If you have only one choice, you'd better stick with your TV as it is much more versatile. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.